In this video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain in Netlify. First, open your web browser, go to the Netlify website, and sign into your account. Then open the site where you want to connect your custom domain. Next, click Domain Management, then select Add a Domain. Enter your custom domain name and click Verify or Add Domain to continue. Now, choose how you want to connect your domain. If your domain is registered with a supported provider, you may be able to configure it automatically. Otherwise, select the Manual Setup option and copy the DNS records provided by Netlify. After that, sign into your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Open your domain's DNS settings and add or update the DNS records exactly as Netlify provides. Save your changes, then return to Netlify and wait for the DNS records to propagate. This process may take a few minutes or, in some cases, up to 48 hours. Finally, once the domain has been verified, Netlify will automatically provision an SSL certificate for your website. Open your custom domain in a web browser to confirm that your site is live and loading securely over HTTPS. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a custom domain in Netlify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.